Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yo, happy birthday, Marky. Thank you for everything. Kahit madalas mo aming buwisitin, pag alam mo na yun. Lagi mo sinasabi sa amin, matatanda na kami. Alam na namin yung tama at mali, pero, yung nandyan ka palagi nakikinig sa amin na, ay, tandami namin mga kalokohan, syempre, pero andyan ka nakasuporta sa lahat. Sana maging masaya ka sa ginawa kong beat namin na tong video na to. Talagang ichinat ko sa lang lahat para makapandrate sa'yo ng happy birthday in one video. Sana matupad na yung mga pangarap natin. So, let's go. Kita-kits sa 2026. Peace out.
Happy birthday, Tae-Tae. Lana, matanda ka na rin. Out of calendar ka na.
Happy birthday, Marky. Happy birthday. Ayan, thank you. Alam mo na yun. And more birthdays. Good health. Babush. Ciao, ciao.
Ayan, ako na. Alright. Yeah, happy birthday, Utol Marky. Sa kaibigan, anyone could I ask for? Thank you, Utol. Thank you ng maraming sa hindi lang kaibigan, kundi kapatid na pagturing mo sa akin. I'm so grateful na tulad mo na sa side ko. Utol, sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Sana less stress ka. Asahan mo, laging nandyan din ako, tulad ng paggawa mo sa akin, tulad ng pag-alalay mo sa akin. And because of that, Utol, cheers for your birthday. Happy birthday sa panibagong taon na iyong tatahakin ulit. Happy birthday, Utol.
Hi, Marky po. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless you always. Stay pogi. Madami kaming nagmamahal sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Headfounder. Thank you po sa always na pag-look up sa mga kagrupo mo. And we're so lucky na nakilala ka namin. Enjoy your day today. Love you.
Happiest birthday, Marquito. Wish you all the best in life. Yun, more blessings and birthdays to come. And wish ko sa'yo, sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap nyo. Then, magka-baby na kayo. Gusto namin na makita ang Nito Marky. Yun. And thank you for everything. And lagi ka nandiyan para sa amin in good times and in bad times. And salamat sa mga biruan at tawanan, sa friendship. Yun. Sa pagiging magkakapatid natin. Thank you. Happiest birthday and happy New Year.
Alora's here. Happy birthday, Head Founder Marky ng TIFB. I hope you have many birthdays to come, and inshallah, I hope we will meet someday. And sa lahat ng mga members of TIFB, miss ko na kayo, and I hope you understand, siguro busy lang sa work, kaya medyo wala pang time to be there with you guys. And Marky, stay humble, being, and you know that I love you and I miss you.
Ito, Marky, happy birthday pala sa'yo. God bless. Amen.
Happiest birthday, Utol Marky. Salamat sa pagiging mabuting kaibigan mo sa amin lahat. And enjoy your day, Utol. And God bless you and Happy New Year.
One, two, three, go. Boss Marky, happy birthday. More candles to blow. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Head Founder Marky. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. More birthdays to come. And God bless you. Alam ko namang i-bless ka kasi super mong bait. Thank you sa lahat ng help. Arigato!
Happy birthday, Tito Pogi. Wish you all the best in life. And maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagbabagsak sa amin. Happy birthday, Tito Marky. We love you. Thank you po.
Hi po, Tito Pogi. Happy blessed birthday po. Wish you all the best po. Enjoy your special day with your family. Happy birthday po ulit.
Boss Marky, happy birthday po. Wishing you a growth, happiness, and success. Naway lagi lang po sana kayong biyayaan ng maraming blessings. Naway lagi lang pong malakas at healthy ang iyong pangangatawan. Maraming salamat po at naging part po ako ng TIFB. Maraming salamat sa mga blessings po na lagi niyo pong ibinibigay sa amin. Naway sanang hindi po kayo magsawa na magbigay ng blessings sa amin. Yun na po. Happy birthday. God bless you always.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy yes birthday, Brad. And of course, maraming salamat sa pagtulong lagi sa kota. Especially, syempre, sa pagiging magkaibigan. Walang halong plastic. Sarap mong maging tropa, Brad. Syempre, mas masarap ka. Happy birthday ulit. Love lots.
Hi, Tae-Tae. Happy birthday. Thank you for being a good friend to us. Kahit na minsan ako yung pinagtitripan mo. Naiintindihan kita kasi alam kong namimiss mo lang kami. Ganun. Basta stay humble palagi, stay safe as always, and stay low-key. Alam mo na yung mga sasabihin ko, ayoko nang pahawain. Basta, enjoy mo yung buhay mo, bata ka pa, tsaka alam mo na yung tama at mali. Enjoy your birthday and happy birthday. We love you.
Yo, this is Sin. Gusto ko lang patin si Boss Marky ng happy birthday. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you sa pag-welcome sa akin sa family sa TIFB. Sana for birthdays to come and good health ka palagi, boss. This is Sin. Peace out.
Hello. Happy birthday, Brad!
Hi, Marky boy. Alain mo yan, birthday mo pala, Marky. Nagbe-birthday pa pala. Shoota ka. Magaling kang kupal ka. Happy birthday, Marky. Thank you. Naging tropa ka namin. Kahit ganyan ka, love ka pa rin namin. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Sana magbago ka na. Charot. Joke lang. Happy birthday, Marky. Love you, mama chup chup. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Marky boy. Miss ka na namin. Wala na kaming kabardagulan. Happy birthday. Magpakalasing ka hanggat gusto mo. Laklakin mo lahat ng alak. Happy birthday, Marky. 45 ka na.
Happy birthday. I wish all your dreams would come true because you deserve that. And stay humble, stay good, and stay friendly. Kasi diyan kita nakilala sa pagiging down to earth mo, sa pagiging maalaga mo sa mga kaibigan. And I'm very grateful that I met you and you become part of my life and part of my life in Bicol, joining in Bicol. I hope you continue to help others just like the way you help me. And you deserve a lot of things because you know you're a jack of all trades. And napaka-hardworking mo, napaka-bait mo, napaka-mapagmahal mong tao, napaka-mapagbigay mo. And yon. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. and happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday sa ino mo. This is Marga. More blessings to come and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day, mabuhay ka kung gusto mo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, love. Sana matupad lahat ng wishes and prayers natin. Love you.
Birthday to you.